what is probate? Probate is a court process where a decedent, someone who's passed away, their assets have to go through probate court in order to be administered. And that means maybe liquidated, paying off any debts, paying off any taxes, filing tax returns. And ultimately, the finish line with probate is all of the decedent's assets have been taken care of. And so I'll use myself as an example. Let's say that I have a home and I have a bank account and I have a savings account and some other investment accounts. When I pass away, if I am the sole owner of that property and the bank accounts, then I can't sign my house to a buyer. I can't liquidate it because I'm dead. And so what happens is the probate process. And some people think, oh, I've been told everything's frozen. Well, it's frozen until someone goes to court and gets authority and power to make decisions on behalf of the decedent's estate. And so that scenario looks like, maybe I've nominated my brother in a will, and he goes to probate court and says, hey, I have this will for my brother. He passed away. I need to sell his house. My brother has no power with the will until it gets filed with probate court and until letters of personal representative are issued to my brother, which give him the power and authority to make decisions on behalf of my estate. And then let's assume for a second that I don't have a will. If I don't have a will and I pass away, then the same is true. My assets are essentially frozen because I can't sign any documents. I'm dead. But then my family members, in order of priority, have the essentially statutory requirements to file with the court in order to get appointed. And so if I'm not married and I have no children, then my father will be the one who needs to petition the probate court in order to get that power. So Arizona has a default plan for the distribution of your assets. And in order to change or deviate from that default plan, if you want, you need to execute an estate plan. And an estate plan is several different types of documents, but the goal is to avoid Arizona's default intestate succession and to get your assets to wherever it is that you want them to go the fastest way possible. Probate in Arizona takes around a year and costs $5,000 to $6,000. So when you compare the cost of probate with the cost of creating an estate plan, which will be between $1,000 and $2,000, it really is sort of a no-brainer when you think about leaving your loved ones a mess to clean up, opposed to doing an estate plan to avoid probate. And so you can get more information on the probate process and what probate is on our website, rahnemalaw.com.